Here in the program number 7, you're going to generate an even number series and you're going to find out the overall sum of that particular series. For example, if input number 10 is given, it's supposed to bring in between 1 to 10 what the input numbers are. For number 10 is even. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that it should print, and it should add all these values and it should display the final sum. So this is how you have to create a program. So in this program, what are the required variable you have to? So you need a definitely you need a for loop, and you have to read the value of n, and you have to calculate sum. So these are the required variable you have to define, and then you have to prompt the user to enter a number and read that number using scanf function, mention the access specifier, and the second part ampersand the variable name, that is the address of the variable name. And when the number is ready, you start writing the for loop. In this for loop, it's going to start from 1 and I less than or equal to n till n and I plus plus. One by one value we are going to take. And here you are going to write the condition inside the for loop whether this first value is going to divided by 2 and whether its remainder is going to 0, then those numbers are number divided by 2, which is returning the mod operator which gives the remainder, and the remainder is equal to 0, then those numbers are called as um, even numbers. So if you want to print all the even numbers in the list, so then you have to say percentage %d and for one number followed by another number. So we are inserting a tab space and the value of I. So I represents the numbers. And here you have to calculate the sum also. Sum means okay, sum value, that is initially it is going to be 0, 0 plus the first number, and next time what is the result of the previous one plus second number, what is the result of previous plus third number, like that this iteration process continues. So now you can just say printf message, this is about list of even numbers, so that the user can easily identify what are these numbers are printed with the help of this for loop. Once the for loop is completely over, then you can print outside the for loop sum. What is the sum? Which is calculated. So which is available in the variable yes. So you have to read the number and then iterate the numbers from 1 to till the last number that you have entered. All the series are going to be identified. Whether the series is even number or not, you are dividing the number by 2 and which remainder is equal to 0 means those numbers are going to be even numbers. And here the sum of even numbers which is calculated from S is 0 plus first number, and then the result that is 1 plus the second number, then like that. If it is an even number, 2 plus the first is 0 plus 2 and 2 plus 4, so like that it adds and the final value will be available in S, which is stored in the memory. And at last, after completely successfully executing the for loop completely for all the numbers, all the identified numbers of even numbers, then finally you're calculating the sum and you're displaying it. Now execute the program. Here there is a semicolon which is missing. Execute the program and you can see the result. It is asking for a number. For example, if I am giving 10, it's displayed all the even numbers and its sum. The final sum is also correctly printed.